back with another GCSS-Army multiple operations video. So today we're continuing our publication series with part 5 of our CMDP series with how to quickly reference and find your CMDP publications and other documents and files, right? So like I said, without further ado, let's just jump into this. This is going to be a quick and easy video. Just want to show you around on how I set up some of my stuff. And yeah, so if you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe button, by the way. If you at any point in the series you want a copy of any of this material, go ahead and reach out to me and I'll get it to you as soon as possible. So let me share my screen with you. All right, so basically when I set up my files, I'm going to do CMP inspectable files, right? So I normally break it down by checklist on how it's given, right? So if you look at Army publications, which we're talking about right now, I go ahead and I put all the publications in order, 1, 2, 3. So when we're doing the CMDP checklist, when they ask for, hey, where's AR25-4-2, all I got to do is go ahead and click on the first one, open it up, show them that it's current, and it's the right publication, right? And I do that for everything, for the technical bulletins and so forth, right? The ATPs, the Gentex, any of that stuff is all right here. And then of course, I have additional resources where I may need it, but that's how I set up my publications. Quick, easy reference. Now, one thing that people don't do is with their errand files in your filing cabinet, make sure you fill out the form to say, hey, all these publications are kept either on a disk or kept on file in this location, right? Your cross-reference your publications here. So I know we're only in publications, but I just want to go down and show you how I set this stuff up. So general maintenance management, shop operations, TMD, AOAP, all this broken down onto actually how to set it up. And each one of these, like for corrosion prevention, I got some PowerPoints for training, what the PS magazines say, helpful videos, helpful websites, NSNs for all the items required to stay up on the corrosion prevention program, CBC. And then of course, I always have the CMDP inspection sheets, so I know make sure we're doing the right things, right? So employment orders, additional duties. So if you guys do have a problem or you need help with your additional duty memos, I have an additional duty creator that pretty much all you're going to do is put in your UIC and so forth, and it's going to spit out your stuff for you. So, all right. Let's see what else we got here. SOPs, policy letters. So of course you always want to keep your your maintenance SOP. I always break my SOP down into chapters, make it easier on me. I always have a lot of appendixes, and one thing I've tried to do is when I came to Fort Carson, I stood up 115th Field Feeding Company. So maintenance program was non-existent. I built it from scratch. So I took the SOP and what the required areas were, and I tailored everything to GCSS-Army. So if you guys need help with any type of part of your SOP, reach out to me. I can probably help you out. And then of course your spill prevention plan, I have a lot of that. Low density training, so I always keep the skill books. Yeah, there's so much data here, but you get the point. Everything is organized so that I can easily find it, and it's in one location. So if I'm out of the office, my shop foreman, my senior mechanic, so forth, whoever is in charge can just pass the inspection and go right down the line and know how we operate. All right. So hope you like this video. Like I said, our next part of this series, we're actually going to go down and check out a maintenance publication library and see how they're doing. Verify if they're doing it the right way, if we can make any recommendations and so forth. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance.